This is another example of question on ideal gas equation. So let's solve together. Welcome to Chemistry with Chris. Calculate the mass of carbon dioxide gas. Mass is question, so we need mass. M is question. Which occupies 11.2 dm cube. Volume is 11.2 dm cube. In ideal gas equation, volume must always be in meter cube. So 11.2 dm cube divided by 1000 will give me this volume in meter cube. So that's why I divided this volume by 1000. Then temperature T at 27 degrees Celsius. Temperature must be converted to Kelvin. That's why you have T is equal to 27 plus 273. Then in that case, if I add together here, my temperature will be equal to 300 Kelvin. So T, temperature T is equal to 300 Kelvin at a pressure of 10 kilopascal. So my pressure P is 10 kilopascal, and pressure must supposed to be in pascal. So because of this kilopascal, kilo means 10,000. So kilo means 1000. You have pressure equal to 10 kilopascal. So because of this kilo, which is 1000, I'll multiply this by 1000. Then in that case, you have 10,000 pascal. So our pressure is now 10,000 pascal. Now I need mass, but you recall from our previous channel under relative molecular mass, the number of mole N is given mass over molar mass. Number of mole, because the number of mole is given mass over molar mass. So I need to first find my number of mole because I'm looking for given mass. Then I can calculate molar mass. We have done calculation of molecular mass on our previous topic lessons. You can check that out. So if I now substitute all this now into my general gas equation of PV is equal to nRT. My P is now 10,000. My V is 0.0112. Is equal to N. I want to first calculate N first. Times molar gas constant 8.314 times temperature 300. So you have 10,000 times 0.0112. That will give me 112 is equal to 8.314 times 300. So that will give me 2494.2 N. Divide both sides by this to get your N. So my N will be 112 over 2494.2. 112 divided by, that will give me 0.045 moles now. Then recall the number of mole is given mass over molar mass. So I need to calculate molar mass of carbon dioxide. So molar mass of CO2, carbon is 12 plus oxygen is 16 multiplied by these two. So you have 12 plus 32. And that will give me 44 grams per mole. So if I now substitute it in this place now, my number of mole is 0.045. My given mass is what I'm looking for. The molar mass is 44. So this over 1, if I cross multiply, this will times in my given mass will now be equal to 0.045 times 44. That will give me 1.98 grams. So the mass of carbon dioxide is now equal to 1.98 grams. So this is also another example of question on ideal gas equation. If you are new to our channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel at Chemistry with Chris. We also have its counterpart, Physics with Chris, and Maths, where we solve further maths also with Chris. Bye.